Right, that's the first piece on, okay, and we've just wrapped it around that corner on that particular instance. Okay, we're going to just do maybe a different method this time. We'll just see how much it actually kinked that wallpaper out. Okay, so it's dead easy to put on. Again, just put your hand on there, slight overlap. Let's give it a bit more of an overlap today. Okay, not worried about what's going on there at the moment. Let's just get this on this line straight. Okay. Again, I'm not using my brush on this, I'm just sweeping across the top, I'm not stretching it. So let's just put this into place, nice and tight. Okay, so they're not overlapping. Okay. Okay, so you just do the face first. Okay, and you leave the other sections till afterwards. Okay, now let's pull this back, let's have a look. Right then. Right, that's exactly what I wanted it to do. Okay, so as I've wrapped this around this corner, okay, it looks like that the paper's lifted itself up that way. Okay, so you can see that gap there now, that's too big. Okay. So, we're going to do a little splice on this particular piece. So let's get a knife. Okay. And again, this is really the preferred method, the way that you do this. You do this on this piece up here, but I really wanted to show you how this gap forms. So let's just get our knife. Okay, I'm just going to trim down here now. Okay, just give ourselves a bit of a chance to around about there. Okay, take this piece off. Okay, and we'll put this piece back on. And again, this doesn't have to be straight because again, it's just lining paper, so it doesn't particularly matter. It is nice to get that straight line. Okay, so initially what we do then is draw a straight line there with our spirit level, and we sit it on that. But again, I just wanted to show you that gap that we've got up there. So now we'll just do a slight overlap. So I'll just draw this on just so you can see this. So my wallpaper, the one underneath, has come to there, and also I can get around here as well, it's come to there. Okay. So I'm going to cut now a piece of paper, cut straight between the two pieces of paper here. Okay, you only get one chance at this. Okay, so again, sharp blade, and we're going to cut straight the way through it. Some people like to use a spirit level, okay, or you can just use a caulking board. Okay, so let's just get a brand new blade again. It'll come off this time. Okay. So now I've got a nice sharp blade. I'm going to get my caulking board. And again, I'm going to cut roughly down this line here. So I'm just going to get my board, and again I'm going to apply quite a bit of pressure here. Okay, so I'm going to cut between the two. Okay, I'm not going to go to the end. I'm just going to keep the knife in place, move this down. And again. Now the moment of truth. Okay, let's take this one off and then pull this back. Got my sponge. And then I'm just going to trim this edge off. Nice and sharp on the edge. And that's how you splice around the corner.